You can make Chick-fil-A's new honey pepper pimento chicken sandwich at home and it's super easy. First thing you're gonna need is 4 to 5 regular sized chicken breasts. Dump those into a medium sized bowl, then cover them with whole buttermilk. Then add some fresh garlic, coarse salt, black pepper, MSG, dill pickle juice, onion powder, garlic powder. Mix that until well combined, then let marinate for 4 to 24 hours. For the pickled jalapenos, grab 2 large jalapenos and slice them up evenly. Then add ACV, water, salt, black pepper, dried dill, garlic powder, onion powder, honey. Then mix until well combined and cover with plastic wrap. Set those aside. 24 hours later, remove your chicken from the buttermilk marinade, then add 2 large beaten eggs. Give that a little mix, then set aside. For the seasoned flour, add AP flour, powdered sugar, potato starch, salt, more MSG, garlic powder, and onion powder. Mix that up, then take 2 tablespoons of the buttermilk and add that to your seasoned flour. This is a method used by Chick-fil-A to this day because it works. Now dip your chicken back into the buttermilk, lift it up, then let that drip for 10 to 20 seconds. Add that into your seasoned flour and make sure each piece is extremely well coated. I recommend really packing that flour down into your chicken breast, and once they look something like this, they're ready to fry. For the pimento cheese, add 8 ounces of freshly grated sharp cheddar cheese to a bowl along with pimento peppers, cream cheese, mayonnaise, red pepper flakes, salt, pepper. Then gently mix until it looks something like this. These buns are very similar to the ones that Chick-fil-A uses. I like to spray them generously with avocado oil, then toss them into a high broil oven for 1 to 2 minutes. Watch them closely because they can burn fast. Now drop your chicken into some 375-degree Fahrenheit peanut oil or any neutral oil, then cook for 45 minutes until evenly golden brown and crispy, just like this. Drain on paper towels to remove excess oil, then build your sandwich using pickled jalapenos, that delicious fried chicken, homemade pimento cheese, and a ton of good quality honey. Make this recipe at home, let me know what you think, and follow for more food stuff.